there is hundreds of small creators that cannot become popular. The truth is that half of these channels are dead. And by that, I mean they are not posting content. You see, they lost because they stopped playing. Well, in today's video, I'm gonna teach and uncover secrets on how we can grow on this platform. And by we, I mean you and me, because I'm a small creator too. And I think this is one-time opportunity for you to learn. Because hey, if you not take action now, it would be harder tomorrow. Because YouTube is only getting harder and harder each time many creators are joining. That's why you need to consider to make an action. Let's start from the first thing, which is really easy. You need to understand that you are not big creator. And by easy, I mean that you already know it, but your subconscious mind is telling you other things. So you need to lower down your ego. First of all, how can you make videos on I did something for 30 days, or I don't read books, or I did that, I did this? You cannot create titles like this, because nobody is gonna watch you. You know, you are not popular yet. You are a small creator. And that's why you need to hook your audience by some topic or by some other person. You cannot just create general videos because you're a small creator. You need to be aware of it, that if you do the video, I took a shower, cold shower for 30 days, it will not be viral as for someone that already posted 1,000 of videos before his audience is interested in him, not in the topic of the video. You need to understand and destroy your ego a little bit, that you are still young, that you still small, and you need to grow by the second thing that I will tell you. But before that, you know that in this competition that you are staying, you cannot win right now. Once again, you are small. You get big creators that creating the video on self-improvement topic. Top 3 ways how to get bigger muscle. And you do the same thing, and he will grow more from it than you. He will get more views, audience. Yes, it would make sense, but listen, imagine you on the place of the subscriber. Imagine you on the place of the random guy that scrolls YouTube and from, this homepage, and he sees the same videos, but he sees the first one that this guy, he's familiar with this. Maybe he heard his name. Maybe he's not, but he sees that, whoa, 2 million views, I should probably watch this. And then he sees you with 20 views. Maybe it's not that funny, yeah, but it is the hard truth that you cannot win in this competition because you only starting, because you only on the first miles of the race, and he is already overcame it. He is already running second freaking circle. But there is the way out. There is the second thing. There is a niche. And I already mentioned it, that you can create videos on some topics and also about some people and like some popular celebrities or guys that are in self-improvement niche, if you are interested in that. I already said niche. Already mentioned it a couple times. You can go this general. Could create videos on whatever you want. There is no rules. YouTube is a good place, really, because nobody's telling you what to do. There is simply no rules, really. Everyone can grow, but, you could do something to grow faster. And like I said, there is escape from it, from suffering, from not getting views, not getting subscribers, staying at the same place, plateau's effect. And the way out is niche yourself, is to choose self-improvement, to choose to make videos on fitness, to choose to make videos on business, on relationships, or whatever you want, but specific topic. And then already you will be remembered as the guy that doing videos on productivity, like Ali Abdal. Everybody knows Ali Abdal because he's productivity king. You will be remembered as the guy that wears white tank top, because nobody else do, and you do this in every single video. You will be remembered as the guy that do this recording Chin Loom, for example, because you need to get your viewers being familiar with you, but also They don't know you still yet. So choose the topic that they are interested in and you are interested in. And that is important. And niche your channel to it. So you go with fitness video and you do the videos on fitness because you're interested in and somebody else do. Now, you see, I'm not the one who will tell you this. There is many videos already on how to choose niche, how to pick one, how to create one. And this is not the knowledge you came here for. I know. There is double escape. There is ultra escape. And this escape called Microniche. Hey, you can click off, yeah. Oh, bro, he's talking about niche. But what the hell, already watched a couple of videos on this. Still don't grow. I did it. No. Microniche is something that not many YouTubers considering. But it is how talking head videos can grow. Because you choose fitness and then still there is a guy who is familiar in this fitness industry more than you. Sam Sulik. He's already doing about fitness, about gym every single day, unedited videos. So why should there would be existing another Sam Sulik? You specifically pick Microniche, the niche behind this like fitness industry. You choose dopamine detox. You choose kettlebells. You can become kettlebells channel. How to throw kettlebells, how to buy the right one, how to create like workout routines, how to do kettlebells workouts with your friends, and how to improve, everything on this micro niche topic. And this will boost your channel like this because you will create micro community and you will feel like you are in this topic. You can go spam to Reddit, spam to Facebook groups, to some Twitter, whatever, by creating this micro community because other people already were interested in this and you were like making it bigger. Maybe not bigger, but so there is knowledge on this topic, and you were doing with this topic, or just stretch it, I don't know. And you like make this micro niche. And by making this micro niche, you create micro community. And now you feel like there is also guys that are interested in this. And now you will get audience. Now you get views from it. Now you get micro community. And this is what you wanted. This is how small creators can grow. One disclaimer, sadly, niche is not that important. If you still not uploaded 50 videos of you talking to the camera, if you still didn't upload the first one, shut up, fuck up, and close this video. Just take the camera and record the first video. Right now. Not after this one. Close this video right now and make the video. Because hey, if you're listening to this content, bro, what the hell are you doing there? If you click on a small creator, but you're even not a creator, what the hell are you doing here? Ask yourself this question. Okay, now, let's assume that you already have 50 videos. If you are under 10k subs, I would highly recommend you to do this. Who am I to recommend you this? But this knowledge I took from the great source, so you can believe me. I'm not going to tell you the source, but maybe the first letter is A. Toasty! Maybe you know it. And it's from course, so basically it's paid thing. It's not that important if you still didn't upload videos, if you upload them not consistently. Hey, I would never think that I would create the videos on how to help YouTubers to grow. Well, I learned it and I really can see. Yeah, I will show you something interesting. Oh, so here is I didn't mention this. So if you have less than 10k subscribers, I will just show you this. Less than 10k subscribers, you go to niche, you pick one, and after you pick one, you go to micro niche. You go with very specific videos, like I said. So the main point is you don't want to start with general videos. That's I think smart to consider. Also, if you pick a micro niche, you will need to be interested in this topic. I'm just reading you from my notes. And it would give you micro community, like I already said. So you don't compete with big channels because they will choose them rather than you. Because they simply don't know you. I also wrote this example, maybe First Man. And he's really popular because of his body language video. You can go to his channel and he's into popular, and his very first videos that get 50k views, 500k views, I don't know, something in this point. They're on the same topic, basically researching on watching this videos, this from movies, and analyzing body language from other men. This is what makes him popular. This is what creates his micro community. This is his success story, was body language. He basically became the face of it, like Liam Dahl of the productivity. And the last thing, this graph. So here is subscribers, and here is Microniche. Basically niche right there. So if you have 0 subscriber, there you should be, in the place of specific videos. But if you go closer to 100 million subscriber, if you're there, like, you get 5 millions, you can go smaller, you can go general, more general. You see where it's go? I could also show you my plan, my niche. So I said recently, like, not recently, in my welcome video, that there is me and I'm like from Spider-Man, you know, the theme. And you will get the point, bro. Subscribe and see the welcome video on the homepage on my channel. So I said, this channel is going to be about 3 topics: business, fitness, and relationships. Now, today, I think, after getting this knowledge and telling it to you, my interpretation, I will be more into the one thing. So relationships on my priority list is on this last place. Not the priority. I'm not gonna focus on this videos. Second place is fitness, so same thing. And the business is the most important for me. So I'm currently giving all my powers to work, and I choose YouTube as my business. And then I pick consistency, because I'm really interested in being consistent, in uploading videos every single day, in going to the gym every single day, like I wrote there. So I wrote consistency, and then the first main thing, business. I'm going to tell you about YouTube, how you can be consistent on uploading videos. I'm going to tell you about jobs, how you can be consistent on jobs, how you can improve your level there, how you can grow, and, you know, simple hacks like going to the job first and getting out of the job last, so that your boss will see you, and blah, blah, blah. And then house, same thing, how to be consistent in sleep and gym. And, you know, I think this channel would be more like into this consistency theme. So you will see the growth of consistent topics. I think it's really interesting because, you know, everybody could go to the gym, but not many stays in there. And I think this is my purpose, to help you to do this. Open up with my notes. Wow. Just to summarize, just to end this nicely. Remember this: the bigger you are, the general your videos could be. So don't be nice. Be good. See you in the next one. We'll bank.